Hello and welcome to this Pixelart Devlog. Today I want to show you some of the work that we have done this week and the sprites that we have created for our game Restart. And of course, just to mention it, the whole art creation process that you see in this video is a time lapse because we are not one of these speed painters. That would be pretty practical because we could finish our game in half the time. But sadly, we are not painting in supersonic speed.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, and for those of you who haven't watched the last real devlog, in the last devlog I mentioned that for the next devlog I want to focus on creating an NPC system so everything gets ready for the housing and city system. But the problem with creating an NPC system is that right now I can't distinguish any NPCs or characters from each other. Because right now I only have this one bold ass base character. That means it's time for some hairstyles. So as you can guess, we spent some time on creating some character clothing as well as some hairstyles. But if you think to yourself right now,
wait a minute!
Why are these hairstyles so ugly and what the fuck is wrong with this clothing?
No.
This looks like it's from Stone Age. Well, then you are right, because remember our game starts from Stone Age and that means the first clothing as well as the first hairstyles need to be in a style that represents the Stone Age. After finishing some of the stylings, we created another hill because we needed some variations for the backgrounds, and after that we directly got to the next big thing. And the next big thing for an NPC, city and housing system is obviously housing. So because we start in Stone Age, the first NPCs will live in caves. But as soon as the player makes some progress and creates some houses, some NPCs will move in. That means it's time for a blockhouse tileset. We thought about many different ways to create this blockhouse tileset. First we thought we only make the round parts of the tree trunks visible, like we did this for an Instagram post a while ago. But we thought this is better for walls but not for blocks, so we discarded this idea and came up with the idea to put the round parts only on the left and the right side of the blocks. Next we animated the hairstyles and the clothing, but before we talk about that, a short self-promotion. If you like what you see in this video from the creation process of the early stages of our game and would consider to play our game when it comes out, or you just want to support us, it would really help us if you add our game to your Steam wishlist. So go ahead and do this right now if you want to support us, and let's continue with the video. So after creating a styling, for example a hairstyle, we need to create all animation frames for the animations that the character has. That also means that we first need to trace the styling, so it's always on the right part of the character's body for every animation frame. And after that we need to put some movement into it, because it doesn't look natural if the hair doesn't move at all if he's jumping, for example. That will just look like we have put too much hair gel into our hairstyle. Welcome to the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Also, if you need some high quality assets for your game or like our channel and want to support us, feel free to check out our assets at the Unity or Unreal Asset Store. You'll find the link to our store pages in the description. I hope you learned something new and see you next time.